Karibu Jikoni. Today we're going to learn how to make arrowroots, which goes by the local name of nduma. So nduma usually comes in a hard brown covering, which is easily peeled off by slicing the knife through it in this format. Once you slice it off, wash it and it's ready to use. So I'm going to cut my nduma into smaller pieces. The pieces don't need to be regular, it's according to your preference. Cut mine in circles, considering the shape of my nduma. There we have it. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 3 pieces of garlic, salt and water. The amount is also according to how many ndumas you're cooking. So there for my tomatoes. Next we have the garlic. Just cut it in small pieces and mash it up. Nice! So turn on the fire, put the sufuria, and for my first ingredient, the onions. So I'm going to add some oil. And I mix it up well to make sure that all my onions are coated in the oil. Then I let it cook. When it's ready, I add my tomatoes. There we have it. Then comes the garlic. Scoop it all out. There we go. And just give it a good mix. Next, I'm going to add salt, 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon, and just a little bit more. And I mix it all up. So when the paste has formed, you add your ndumas, just arranging them well in the sufuria. I give it a rough mix to make sure it's covered in the paste. And now I add my water. The water level should be at a point where it's almost covering the ndumas, not completely covered. So I'll cover my sufuria. And on top, I'll add another sufuria with water. This helps to keep in the pressure and thus the cooking goes well. So now my ndumas are ready. Woo! So you better be careful because of the steam. As you just take off the lid slowly. Wow! There we have it. So in case the water you added was excess, feel free to drain it off. I'm just going to take out 1 or probably 2. There we go. So when they are ready, they become very soft. I'm just going to taste it. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Delicious. Thumbs up for that one. Nduma goes with tea. And there we go. Enjoy.